All right. So today's February 1st, 2016. I have decided that I would like to shotgun a beer every day for the month of February. I asked some of my close friends what I should shotgun first. First one was the best answer, Keith Stone. So I went out and I got me a tall can of Keystone. Keystone Light. Here in California, it's 5% alcohol by volume. Also, while I was out, I'm a diehard Old English fan in the 40s. But as you know, in California, they stopped making 40-ounce Old English in glass. So I found this at the liquor store, and it's currently holding my phone up right now. I'm going to try this tonight. I'm going to record it as well. Maybe up today, maybe up tomorrow. Not too positive. But it's the new E40 malt liquor. I'm excited. So without further ado, let me set you guys back up and let's get started. If you heard noise in the background, I'm watching Predator. Oh god. I don't know why I didn't go with the 16 ounce. I decided to go with the 24 ounce. All right. Number one. See you tomorrow.